In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote HostPapa affiliate links in a quick and easy tutorial. First, let's get you started by visiting the HostPapa affiliate page. It's really straightforward. Simply go to their website at www.hostpapa.com/affiliates. Once you're there, you should see a Join Now button. Give it a click and you'll be on your way. Next, you'll fill in your details. This usually includes basic information like your name and email address. Be sure to agree to the terms of service and then hit sign up. You'll want to keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. It's important to check this email because you'll need to confirm your account to proceed. Just follow the link in the confirmation email to activate your account. With your account now confirmed, you're ready to log into your affiliate dashboard. This is where you can find everything you need to track your progress and access marketing resources. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the marketing tools or links section. This is where the magic happens because here you'll find your unique HostPapa affiliate link. This link is special to you because it has your tracking ID, allowing HostPapa to track any signups that come through your promotion efforts. Now with your affiliate link in hand, it's time to start promoting. One effective method is to create YouTube tutorials. Videos can be a dynamic way to engage with your audience, and you can easily incorporate your affiliate link in the video description or as an overlay. Another option is to write a blog post or use your website. You can seamlessly integrate the link into your content, perhaps through a review or a resource guide. Don't forget social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are great for reaching a wide audience efficiently. Share your affiliate link with your followers in a way that encourages clicks, possibly by highlighting a promotion or special offer. After sharing your link, the next crucial step is to track your performance. To do this, log back into your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can view vital statistics such as how many clicks your link received, how many signups you've generated, and the resulting commissions. This data is invaluable as it allows you to see what's working and what's not. Based on what you learn from tracking your performance, you can refine your strategy. Maybe your YouTube videos are generating a lot of interest, but not as many signups. Or perhaps your blog posts are driving significant traffic. Use this information to adjust your tactics and focus on the methods that bring in the highest results. And there you have it, a simple way to promote your HostPapa affiliate link effectively. With these steps, you're all set to dive into affiliate marketing and start earning. Happy promoting!